$2,090 is how much I made today day trading. Let me show you what I did. Let's go. Okay, folks, first let's start with the proof of my trade today. I made $2,090, as you can tell here at the bottom right of your screen. I took 3 trades, actually 2 honestly, because I just fat fingered at 30 bucks over here. So first trade was $490, and then I said to load my contract, and I bought the wrong contract in the first place, so 30, and then 1570 was my third trade, which those two are basically the same thing except a strike different, but I decided to cut one after for 30 bucks gains. But long story short, 1570 plus 30 equals 1600 plus 490 equals $2,090. Okay, let's go in the trade here. As you can tell, 2 trades, one trade here on the same strike, 54.90. Sold it 40 seconds later for $490. And then that's my big trade where I said to load in. Unfortunately, I bought the wrong call here. I was short on these ones. I was long on these ones. And 65 call here, that was the mistake, the fat finger. I meant to enter at 54.60 and load my 54.60. Oh well, it is what it is. And then I said to cut, and that trade was 1570, and that call here 54.65, but I cut here at 910. I bought it at 880, which is 30 bucks. Anyway, all of that equals 2,090. Let's go into the chart now. Let's go. All right, let me show you. This is my screenshot of my trades this morning. So we open and flush down, my friend. Not only we open with a huge gap down, but we continue the flush. And quite frankly, to be honest with you, I don't like those because I don't have an entry, right? It's just like flushing down. And what do I enter? If you enter, you chase, it can reverse on you. What's happening, right? I don't like it. So what I did is when I saw the little retracement here and then the next leg down happen, I just tried to jump on a wagon with 2 contracts. I tried to get filled with more, I wasn't get filled. The system was like, nope, we don't accept you. So I'm like, great. So only 2 got filled, and that was a 40 sec trade. I'm dead serious. Let me show you. Here. Okay. But my loading this contract right at 56.05. 6 a.m. 56 minutes or 5 sec and 06, right? Those 2. Sold them at 56.34 and 40 sec. So it's like less than 40 seconds trade. To make $490, I'll take it. So I was happy with my day at 490 actually. And then I saw this. Second trade of the day. So by the way, my trade was here, right? And then like there was a type of day where you just buy a put and you just let it run all day type of thing. But it is what it is. So excuse me. We went in a nice downtrend over here, and then I saw the low of 54.55, which was a good area for me to try some longs. So I did. Very risky counter trend trade in a downtrend here. Going long is very, very risky. But if it does work, the contract starts to fly right away almost, right? And buyers actually were with me this time. They were like, you know what, let's do something here, I guess, because they give me a nice push on my contract. So some volume came in. It doesn't look that big here, but it was quite substantial when you see it happen. Remember, this is a 15-minute time frame, right? So each candle represents 15 minutes. So anyway, that happened. I was happy, and as soon as I started to go my way, obviously I started to cut in strength. I cut the last one over here. So I loaded that first contract at 1140 here. Let me show you here. Okay. All right. Let's not count this one. That was just a fat finger, like I said. So the 880, I sold it at 910. I made 30 on this one. We don't care. What I was interested about is loading the 5460. So I started to load my first one at 1140, 1110, 1090, 1040, 1020, etc., and then boom, started to go my way. 1160, 1180, 1190, 1190, etc. 1210, 1260, 1240. Last one sold at $13. All of that made me $1,570 plus 30 from that fat finger thingy, and 490 equals $2,090 for the day. Oops, you don't see what I'm talking about here. There you go. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.